time for...
Creepy Treats and Spooky Eats! What do we want? What do we want? Creepy Treats and Spooky Eats! And now it's time for treats!
Welcome back, Fiends, for another episode of Creepy Treats and Spooky Eats. Today's creepy treat are our hauntingly delicious Halloween tree cookies.
Halloween trees? I think you mean Christmas trees, right?
No, DK, Halloween trees. We celebrate creepy Christmas, so we spookify our holiday cookies.
That's right, Cubby. For this fiend-tastic treat, you'll need the following items: Christmas tree-shaped cookies, homemade or store-bought, black and orange cookie icing, and a variety of creepy sprinkles and icing decorations.
First, you'll need to apply a base layer of icing by outlining your tree and filling in the center.
Next, apply some garland with the opposite color of icing you use for your base.
Now that your Halloween tree cookie is iced, it's time to add your creepy sprinkles and decorations.
My tree's gonna be covered in green sprinkles. They do look like apples, though.
My Halloween tree, I want eyeballs and bones and skulls and...
Ew! Gross!
What? They're delicious.
All right, Fiends, all done. Who's ready to try them?
I was born ready.
Wait, what? And eat this beautiful work of art? Okay.
Yummy! Thanks for joining us on this episode of Creepy Treats and Spooky Eats. We'd love to see you and your Halloween tree cookies, so make sure to take a photo and tag us using the hashtag #BestFiendsForever. We'll see you next time.
Happy holidays!
Bye.
Bye.